Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero. We are back again at Elite Wraps. We're getting a whole bunch of work done on the vehicle. We're getting some front work done, hood stuff done. We're going to be rewrapping the side mirrors and the new piano black that we have. We got the side pieces going on. We got the back pieces going on. We got so much going on with this car. I absolutely love the way this car looks. This gray in person is fantastic. Like, damn, like, look at that. Yeah, man, shout out to the whole squad over here. Shout out to the whole team. They're working on some crazy stuff over here. We got the blurple wrap going on over there. Got the homies GT3. You guys already know AeroFlowDynamics WRX is looking even more clean. If you guys have not checked out this car, make sure you guys check out AeroFlowDynamics' channel and Instagram. They just got done painting the back rear bumper. I think they're still deciding on what they want to do as far as the wing in the back. Hope you guys are enjoying your days. Be safe out there, y'all. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, y'all, keep going after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a great video, guys. Let's get it. Peace. Bro, that pale black in the sun looks freaking gangster. That's why I said, dude. That's why I said, dude. It looks gangster.